Guys, yeah, this is a reasoning session where anything goes. You know, when you say anything goes, we meaning that you get it raw, you get it uncut, and you get it uncensored. So in other words, it's parental guidance. Although some of the parents them need guidance themselves, but that's a story for another day. So yeah, we are here with my beautiful sister, you know, AJ. I affectionately call her AJ. She will tell you her name, but it's too long for me, so I just say AJ. Yeah, and you know, I have a nice little thing lined up for you guys. I like a nice little discussion. You know, by the way, my name is JI. You know, I like to keep it simple, easy to pronounce. You know, JI. Yeah, so AJ. May I have to say?
So my name is Anastasia. You're not allowed to call me AJ. Alright, gonna say, talk a little bit about myself. Well, I'm a makeup artist. I'm also an esthetician as well. So I dabble in anything makeup, whether it be horror to simple everyday beat. That's what I do, and I do other stuff too. But I guess in time you'll know that.
Well, we are here to basically discuss art. We're here to discuss art, right, AJ? And when we say discuss art, not just the art, but the artist as well. And you know, uncensored, everything on this thing. There's no false and no fake on it, right? So everything is we just keep it real. And we talk truth. We talk truth, we keep it real, and we talk with native tongue too. Yeah, we chat patois.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are Caribbean people, you know. Yeah, so we want to like discuss our little reason and the artist as well as the art, and you know how the artist is doing and embracing their art, doing it regardless of the challenges that they face on a day-to-day basis, and how those challenges different here than where we are from individually.
Yeah.
You know, how doing it regardless in our own country differs from doing it regardless in this country, in Canada here, not in this Ireland here, how difficult it is, because there's a lot to be discussed. There's a lot to be discussed, and Anna can back me up on that one day.
Yeah. It's a lot to discuss in terms of like, sometimes we look at our countries in the Caribbean and we think that, you know, we're coming to like a place like Canada or the States or the UK for a better life. And in some aspects it is better, but in some aspects it's like, it's like total chaotic.
It to me come like a washover goal. Come like our NCs. Back in Jamaica we used to say that at NCs. And it's like, for me, it's like, to me, it's like swapping black dog for monkey. I mean, that. I love talking up, right? Alright, it's like, you know, you think so, boy, you think so when you left, when you come here, so the opportunities would have been, and the resources would have been more easily accessible. But when you come to find out, say, boy, yes, it was just a marketing strategy where that things are marketed in such a way that they attracts you, and when you come and you get it, it's like when you after the salesman gone, you say, what the fuck? Why am I spend $4,000 me that him never did even need this? You see what I'm saying? So when I said, I'm like, even some of the challenge, when you look on it, and I can remember, you know, AJ, when I went in my teenage years, growing up in Jamaica, and even in my like early 20s, late 20s, even prior to coming to Canada, an artist, a DJ, a singer, even people where embrace rapping now and them things, they had somewhere where they could have stand up for somebody see them. They have somewhere where them could have stand up and somebody see them where them can even showcase themselves, even if the avenue not there officially and professionally for them showcase, but something is there for them to what a producer can see them, somebody can see them. Yes, so you didn't have no if you go stand up, for nobody if you see you. So if you are alright, you know, I am a poet, or I am a rapper, I am a DJ, a singer, whatever. What if me just come up from Jamaica and My heartbeat for music. My heartbeat for music. But yet still right now what me I do is me I wash some plate in my restaurant. Me I do it. Me I wash some plate in my restaurant, but me I wash plate and I sing. You understand? But me not really want to wash the plate. Oh, where is the avenue for me to go if me no want to go in a no classroom? Where is the little studio door me can go stand up here, producer, or go in and work one morning and sing? Where that there?
I don't know.
That's what me I tell you, say, oh, is it for me? That to me, if it change in a Jamaica, it change. No, but back in my days when me there Jamaica, a youngster could go stand up and even when them all slam the door and the gate or lock the door and run, but them still there long enough so till somebody decide to say, boy, if I been sorry for them, I say, me hear what you have to say. Right, as I'm out to Rasclat, me I look at studio. For say me want to go vice I want you. To send back all of y'all to some of the mixer and master. It's not easy to find, you know.
I think you have to know somebody who
Yep.
knows somebody. And I think that goes for the Caribbean as well, but it's even more harder here because you have so much things to compete with or so much people to compete with, and a lot of times we don't talk about like racism and we don't talk about that type of stuff because yes, in the Caribbean it doesn't affect us that much, so we don't really bring light on it, but it's very, very, very potent here.
Yeah, actually,
And
it's TNA.
yeah, and I think that's one of the biggest issues that we have as Black people living here in like Canada, in the States, like in the UK. These are the challenges.
And then like if a artist get an opportunity where that somebody quote unquote with the dollars, because we must say the dollars now go flow, you know, the dollars now flow, so you have to try hustle and juggle it somewhere, and if somebody go come with the dollars, you know, them are gonna try to dictate the art.
Yep.
So it's like Maka Ajuki left, right and center. Them thing are nice here.
It's not nice, but there's not much you can do when you don't have avenues, and sometimes you have people who have the resources but then don't necessarily believe in what we do as a Caribbean people because they can't connect to our way of life, whether it's soca, whether it's reggae.
Yeah, but me cannot say yes and no, and there's some amount of hypocrisy in it, you know, because remember saying that they must spend thousands of dollars to go to Jamaica and go to Antigua and go to experience it, you know. So you carry it yourself and the right, so you know, think about it.
That's true too.
So where is it that something great?
Something is not really adding up because I can remember us having the I-Vibes. Was it
I-Vibes?
Was it I-Vibes? It's the last function that we had.
Yeah, I think we have I-Vibes in a June.
So,
yeah.
That whole situation got me thinking because the guy who was there, we were having fun, he was singing, but the type of songs that he was singing was nothing that